This is another tutorial on how to release a loose screw. Which about this two small screw here. This to prevent it from breaking. There is one way, and the easy way to do this is this kind of method by hitting this small screw here, and then you can easily twist it to loose. At this time we have to lose these small screws, and this is a very small one to prevent it from breaking. So what we're gonna do is hit one at a time and then loosen it. Okay, so this is the tutorial if those who has problem in removing this kind of micro screws. Okay, so okay, let's proceed. Yes. Okay guys, now we will try to proceed. So with this heating torch, we'll try to loosen one at a time for the screws. All right. 10 seconds may be enough. Okay, it's easy. It's giving way now. All right, next. Yeah, it's also easy getting loose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds. Yep. Okay, now we can use the easy way to loosen it. Alright. Alright. Yeah. You prevent it from breaking up. And after that, after they are already about to get out, then apply WD-40. Alright. Okay. It's too loose now. Now, okay, so now it's taken out and it's very easy, no hardship on it. With this kind of torch, it will help you loosen the small screw to prevent it from breaking. Thank you guys.
Good job.